Pure Academy is a unique institution making a significant impact in the lives of young people. Here to shed light on the work that blends education, athletics, agriculture, and character development are Melvin Cole, the founder and executive director, Tammy Golwin, the director of operations, and a recent graduate of Pure Academy, Robert Farmer. Thank you all for joining us this morning.
Perfect. Thanks for having us.
Okay, so what do you do and what makes Pure Academy different?
The biggest thing that kind of separates us is our residential program. So about 85% of our kids live on campus, and we found that that's just the biggest thing with our kids living double the national average in poverty at 32%. The best thing is provide our environment where they can really thrive. So our biggest thing is our residential program.
So it's almost like a boarding school in essence.
It's exactly a boarding school.
It is a boarding school.
Yes.
Okay, there you go. And the activities that take place involve sports and other things.
Absolutely. So we have all our main subjects, English, math, science, and social studies, but all our electives are based around agriculture and STEM, partially because that's what I like, but ultimately it's 100% job placement. So it gives a kid the opportunity at a track or a career in college, or if you just want to jump into a trade and start making 50, 60 grand after high school.
Boom.
So that's the biggest thing.
I'm here for that. Okay, so can you talk about the new campus? You do operations over there.
I've been helping Melvin develop the program for 8 years. So this campus is a real exciting, unique opportunity to take all the aspects of the residential, the athletics, the academics, outdoor, indoor, and put it all under one roof. So it will be really unique.
And so how has did the new campus come about, and what's the plan there?
Well, we have space, or we have property in Whitehaven and located currently, but we've always been in a temporary situation. So Melvin actually found the campus, which was the Moz campus on Chelsea Avenue. So it's already 3 existing buildings, so we have to do some renovation, but it fit the profile or fit our needs perfectly.
Okay, wow. And so Robert, talk to me about your involvement in the program and how it, why are you laughing over here? Talk to me about, you must know each other. Okay, but talk to how it's impacted you and just what it was like to go.
Pure changed my life. It helped me grow and to be a better person, and it opened my eyes really on the light and how many job opportunities it is out in the world. You don't have to just make it off of football or off of sports or off of being famous and rapping. Pure showed me you can make it just by planting plants. You can be almost a millionaire just by planting plants. So
planting plants. Okay, now we know. This is great. Okay, so last fall, Pure and Shelby County Juvenile Court entered into a partnership where young men in this system can be referred. Can you just explain all that?
Yeah, so my whole thought process behind that with me having my prison time, where I just wanted to make sure the kids was actually given an opportunity to address the things that they needed to be addressed, which was trauma, distorted thinking, and then just an outlet in different activities. So that was always one of my biggest, I guess, on my bucket list to launch a partnership with juvenile court, because our study shows that 85% of those kids that offend as youth will turn into adult offenders. And so that was just one of the things that I always wanted to create, to give those kids the opportunity and just making sure that their needs were being addressed.
And what's next for Pure?
Boarding schools all throughout. So first we got to lock down Memphis, and then we'll start putting boarding schools throughout Tennessee, and then kind of one day throughout the United States.
It sounds like expansion is on the way.
Definitely.
All right. I'd like to thank you all for being here, and be a millionaire planting plants.
There it is.
There it is. Thank you so much.